Since the incidents in Canada, every fintech or medtech companies is just traumatized when it comes to the topic of AI privacy or AI security. How do you secure the data of your participants? How do you make sure that any personal information would never be leaked? Well, all of us nowadays want to go with AI. I mean, it's a trend, right? All the companies want to use AI. But how do you 100% secure those AI infrastructures? Well, I won't talk much about security. I want to talk about AI privacy. Do you make sure that the privacy of the users or the clients or the people that you got the data are reserved? Are they actually reserved? And if you don't know, there is a big difference in terms of security and privacy. And that's a little homework for you. What do you think the difference is? Put it in a comment. So tell me, let security alone, how do you conserve or preserve the privacy of the users in your system, in your AI system? We all want agents, we all want AI, but how do we preserve the privacy of the people involved in our AI infrastructure? Unfortunately, just like security, there is no straight answer to that question. When it comes to AI privacy, it takes a lot of different algorithms, different methods put together to provide the maximum reliable privacy preservation possible. But what are some of those methods I'm referring to? We can think about federated learning, which is a machine learning way to build AI models without collecting the data, thereby approaching compliance and privacy by default. We can also think about encryption, homomorphic encryption, secure multi-party computation, those cybersecurity encryption methods that we get to add to our AI infrastructure to strengthen the privacy of the people that we have the data from. We can also add a little bit of noise in the information or the data that are in the workflow of our AI infrastructure. In that case, we're going to talk about differential privacy, for example. But then, all those little methods are not in any way enough for any AI infrastructure. And again, even combining those do not provide us a strong, let alone a 100% privacy preservation of the personal information in our system. But another challenge there is, from a use case to another one, from a context to another one, there would be ideal combinations or choices of methods depending on the data that we have rather than other methods. But then how do you know that this method is optimal? For me, for my use case, this method would be optimal if combined with this other method, specifically for my need, for my company, for my structure. Well, if you want a free consultation to discuss about your user case, reach out to me. If not, make sure that you follow this page. Okay? Make sure you also activate the notification button so that you won't miss the next videos, educational videos around this topic, specifically AI privacy. Till then, stay hungry and stay crazy.